and here's the operation interface, short, pause, and continue mode. And if you're cutting something off from the face or on the body, then I recommend to use continue mode. If want to remove some spot or some spots on the skin, then I recommend to use pause or short mode. And energy, I recommend to use level 2, and then use more energy if the customers they want more energy and they can stand more energy. And then push start button here, and push this button on the handle. Okay, this is continue mode. It will keep working. Okay.